Welcome to our latest video on the role of virtual reality, VR, in the future of remote work. With the rise of remote work, businesses are looking for ways to make the experience more engaging and productive for employees. VR technology offers a promising solution, with the potential to create immersive and collaborative virtual work environments that can help remote teams stay connected and productive. In this video, we'll explore the ways in which VR is being used in remote work, and we'll discuss some of the exciting developments that we can expect in the future. First, let's start by defining what we mean by VR in remote work. VR in this context involves using VR technology to create virtual work environments that enable remote teams to collaborate and communicate as if they were in the same physical space. These virtual work environments can range from simple virtual meeting spaces to fully immersive and interactive virtual offices. One of the most significant benefits of VR in remote work is the ability to create a more engaging and productive work environment. With VR, remote teams can collaborate in real time, share ideas, and work on projects together in a virtual space. This can help to reduce feelings of isolation and disconnection that can sometimes occur with remote work. Another benefit of VR in remote work is the potential for cost savings and increased flexibility. With VR, remote teams can work from anywhere, eliminating the need for expensive office space and reducing travel costs. This can provide businesses with more flexibility and cost savings, while also enabling them to attract and retain top talent from around the world. In addition to enhancing collaboration and productivity, VR can also be used to improve training and development for remote teams. With VR, remote employees can participate in virtual training sessions, workshops, and other learning activities, enabling them to develop their skills and knowledge in a more immersive and engaging way. Of course, there are also challenges and concerns associated with the use of VR in remote work. One of the most significant challenges is ensuring that the VR experiences are accessible and inclusive for all employees, regardless of their physical abilities or technological expertise. It's important to ensure that the VR experiences are designed in a way that is intuitive and easy to use for all employees. Another concern is the potential for over-reliance on VR, which could detract from the importance of in-person interactions and relationships. It's important to strike a balance between using VR to enhance the remote work experience and preserving the importance of in-person interactions and relationships. Despite these challenges, the use of VR in remote work has enormous potential for enhancing collaboration, productivity, and flexibility for remote teams. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see more innovative and engaging uses of VR in this context. In conclusion, VR is transforming the way we work remotely, providing opportunities for more engaging and productive collaboration, improved training and development, and cost savings and flexibility for businesses. However, it's important to remain aware of the potential challenges and to work towards responsible use and accessibility of VR experiences for all employees. We hope you've enjoyed this video on the role of VR in the future of remote work. If you want to stay up to date on the latest developments in VR and remote work, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.